Hey gang, it's Kenny again, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite gadgets. When I'm out servicing pools, one of the favorite gadgets to have in my pool bucket is these things right here. Yep, you guessed it, these are just basic salad serving tongs. I get them at the dollar store for just $1, and they are fantastic because I can grab chlorine tablets without touching them with my hands. Now you can use latex gloves, but those get expensive and they're kind of a pain to take on and off. That little gadget right there, along with my brush and my other union tool, are 3 things that I always keep in my bucket. Remember, chlorine is a poison. You probably don't want that on your skin. So if you can get a pair of those serving tongs for $1, it's a great investment. And that, folks, is today's lesson. Not really lesson, more of a pool service hack. Again, one of my favorite gadgets, those salad tongs. You can get them at any dollar store for $1. It's a good investment. Remember to like and share. If you have any questions, feel free to email them to me at kennypoolschool@gmail.com. It should be right there. Or you can put it in the comment section below this video. Thanks again. Remember, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch your kids around water.